Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to compare two ETFs, ARKQ and ARKK. Now I'm someone who loves investing into ETFs, but more than investing, I love analyzing it. So if you know some good ETFs that you want me to compare, share it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to do that. Also, I created a course on how we can make money with ETFs. You will find it down below in the description. Now, what you will learn in this video? I'm going to compare expense ratio, holdings, then I'm going to asset allocation by country. Then I'm going to show you the back test of investing. So let's say that we would start investing in 2015, $100 a month. How well would it perform? Then I'm going to look also on the whole performance and fund overlapping. So let's start. Now, okay, so you can really find a display capture. Here we are, ARKK with ARKQ. Now, when you come here, expense ratio is completely the same. ARKQ got lower assets under management, 2.78 billion, comparing to ARKK, 21 billion. And you can see it even in average daily volume, much lower. Now, number of holdings are 38, comparing to 45. That does not matter that much, but then we see the performance. I'm going to show you straight away right here for backtest. So let's say that you would start investing in 2015 and we would have initial amount $10,000 and we are going to contribute fixed amount of $100 monthly with inflation. Now I'm going to be ARKK and ARKQ, portfolio 1, 100%, portfolio 2, 100%. Now I'm going to analyze portfolios. Now when we look at this, with portfolio 1, if we would start investing in 2015 with our $10,000 and then we would be investing $100 every single month, we would end up with nearly 100K with final balance and 70K with ARKQ. So you can see that during those 6 years, ARKK would perform better. But again, we don't know what the future will bring. Only because, look at this. When you look on the performance of every single year, you see that, okay, 2017 was better. 2020 both were growing really great, but ARKK was growing better comparing to ARKQ. And then you see the look at this. 2021, ARKK was dropping, but ARKQ is growing 11%. So 3 months, you see that portfolio 2, ARKQ, is better. 1 year, better. But 2 years, it's not performing really well. So it really depends from which time you're going to look at this and say that, okay, which one is actually better? Now, when we go even further for holdings, let me show you, you see what are the main differences. ARKK, it's a disruptive innovation. Include those that really on benefit for the development of the new product or services, technological improvements, and advancements in scientific research relating to the areas of. And then ARKQ are focused and are expected to substantially benefit from the development of new product or service, technology improvements, and advances in scientific research related to energy, automation, manufacturing. And you see autonomous transportation, robotics, 3D printing, energy storage, space exploration, here fintech, artificial intelligence, automation, and you can see like, okay, aren't they really similar? Yes, they are, but they are only overlapping by 25% by weight. Only 24% of ARKK 48 holdings are also in ARKQ, and only 29.4% of ARKQ 41 holdings are in ARKK. And you can see also here, all rate by weight, 25%. And when we go even further, you see the weight in ARKQ, like Tesla Motors, 11% overlap. Then Unity Software, 5%. Then UiPath, 6.1, 2.9% overlap. Holdings, 2.7. Iridium Communications, 1.3. So, and then you can see like, okay, this is 11, 16, 18. Combine all these are like 20%. Yep, this is all. So only these, they are overlapping, and you can see it by yourself. But all the others, like let's say Shopify, let's say Square, Zoom, Roku, those you won't find in ARKQ. Now, also, when we look on assets allocation by region, you see North America 92%, here it's 83%, and Asia Pacific on ARKQ is 12%. Then market capitalization, when we check that out, we see, look at this, what we see. ARKQ is also focusing on small, 300 million to 2 billion. Then medium is 24% here, small is only 2.2% in ARKK, medium 2 to 10 billion, 23%, and large 10 to 100 billion, 56%, and here it's 37%. So we could say that ARKQ is a little bit more diversified by market capitalization, comparing to ARKK, which is focusing mainly on large, and then we have some mega and some medium, but no small at all. Here we see also small. Now, when we look on the performance, this is the performance that I wanted to show. Like last 6 months, it was growing really well. And here you can see clearly that, as I mentioned, that ARKQ was overperforming ARKK. And this is pretty much it. So both are good investments. It really depends which stocks you like more. I can really say that you should invest into that one, or give it a breakdown of every single stock. I like ARKK. I love Tesla. I love Teladoc. I really like Coinbase. Unity Software is amazing. Roku, Zoom. I don't know. I don't like right now Zoom at this point. Spotify, I like it because like maybe Zoom is better. Maybe Zoom is good. Like I would need to check out the revenue and everything in the future and how the company was performing in the past. Only because like there was a huge boom because of the time that we're living right now. But maybe it will stay that way. That people will be working from home and they will be using Zoom. So therefore Zoom can grow even more. But I don't know. But I'm not investing into Zoom. I don't like it. Spotify, I invest into that. I love Spotify and I love even Shopify more. These two companies are amazing. And Shopify is top notch with Toby, with the CEO. He's playing also StarCraft. So to summarize this whole video, both ETFs are alright. Same expense ratio. ARKK got higher assets under management. ARKK outperformed ARKQ in the past. There is a 25% overlapping. They are both good active management in the ETF with a little bit high expense ratio. My recommendation is definitely to check TQQQ. That's crazy ETF. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.